Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you one of the new features added in Giglad version 5, and that is working with audio loops inside styles. For me, this is something truly revolutionary, because until now only Ketron was actively using real, live sounds in the form of audio loops inside arranger styles. Now we can clearly see that Giglad has taken a serious step in the same direction, and this definitely deserves attention. Before we continue, I want to make one thing very clear. This is not a presentation of Giglad, and I am not trying to promote or sell it in any way. I am simply a musician who bought Giglad, and the idea of this video and all my other videos is to share experience and exchange knowledge with other musicians. If at some point I sound enthusiastic or positive, it is only because I am genuinely impressed by the work the Giglad team has done. I strongly believe that when someone puts real effort into creating something good, their work deserves recognition and respect. I have owned a Ketron SD90 for more than 4 or 5 years, and until now Ketron were the only ones offering a dedicated track for audio loops. In the newer Ketron event, they even added additional live tracks such as live bass and live guitar, and more. That is why I am very happy to see that similar features now exist in Giglad as well. This opens the door for everyone to add their own sounds, create custom rhythms, and most importantly, develop their own musical identity and style. In my opinion, this is simply fantastic. How to add an audio loop in Giglad. Now let's focus on the practical part. First, open Giglad. Select any style. Go to the style editor. Next, on the right side, open the directory where the Giglad style library is located. At the top, you will see the audio loop folder. This is where we add our own loops. I strongly recommend creating a new folder for your personal loops. Leave the factory folder only for the original Giglad sounds, and do all your tests and experiments inside your own folder. What you see here is my personal loop library from Ketron SD90, which I use regularly. Important notes about audio loops. All audio loops you use must be recorded very accurately in a DAW and must contain correct tempo information. If the tempo is not stored inside the audio file, Giglad will not be able to synchronize the loop correctly, and the result will sound bad. I personally create my loops in FL Studio. When exporting, it is very important that the tempo is saved with the file. The format is WAV or FLAC. Please remember this, because it is essential. File name and tempo. Now I will select a style that I originally created for Ketron and copy it into the new folder. One of the most important things is the file name. You must either rename the file, or at the end of the name, after an underscore, add the tempo value. This allows Giglad to correctly recognize the tempo of the loop. If you do not do this, the file will not load and you will receive an error message. Please keep this in mind. Adding the loop to the style. After the new loop is added to the library, go back to Giglad. Open the drum track. Go to the audio loop menu. Find the new loop you added. From here on, you can add, remove, combine, and edit loops. Inside variation A, B, C, D, intro, break, ending, and so on. After you finish all your edits, do not forget to save the new style. That's all. I hope this video is useful and gives you new ideas for creating your own styles and rhythms. Thank you very much.